Right, so I've owned this car for a few months now. My 2012 Porsche 911 991.1 Carrera 4S. And it's not all been smooth sailing. So today was supposed to be a straightforward Porsche upgrade day. Get the previous system working, code the new parts for the job. JD, get job done. Except it's gone considerably wrong. I've removed the rear lights, so bunch of screws, all Torx, different sizes, 45s, 30s and 25s. Fan assembly had to come out, intake had to come out, and then there's the two lights, and then that's the rear spoiler assembly. But despite all of that, there are 5 things about this car that I absolutely love. And honestly, it's why I'm not in any rush to replace this car.
Thank goodness.
First up, and it had to be number 1, the sound. This is one of the last naturally aspirated 911s. And you can feel that every time you drive it. No turbos, no fake noise, just that flat 6 building up all the way through the rev range. The higher you rev this car, the better it sounds. It really comes alive at 4,000 RPM. What a sound. Second thing, and this is what really surprised us, is how usable every day this car is. You can genuinely jump in this car, go to the shops, go for a long drive, sit in traffic. It just works. So practical. And that's actually what makes it quite dangerous, because you end up wanting to use the Porsche every time. Third, the way it actually drives. This isn't just a fast car, it actually makes you feel like you're a better driver. The steering, the balance, and being a C4S, you've got that confidence of that all-wheel drive system as well. You can lean on this car and it gives you so much confidence, especially on real roads. It's great on the twisties. Before the design. For me, this car is the sweet spot of the 911. It's modern, but it's not overdone. You've got the wide body at the rear, the light bar, it just looks right from every angle, this design. And I still catch myself looking back at it when I've parked up. And finally, number 5, probably the biggest one, how it makes you feel to own this car. This car isn't perfect. We've had failed upgrades, coding issues, little bits that didn't quite go to plan. But even still, with all that, every time I get in it, every time I go to drive it, I'm reminded why I bought this car in the first place. So yeah, 5 things I love about my 911 Carrera 4S. Of course, it's not perfect. So if you want to see the other side of my story, 5 things I hate about my 911 4S, maybe that's the next video. If you've got a 911, let me know what you love about yours. And if you're looking to get a 911, hopefully this video was helpful. Cheers for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Please like, subscribe, and hit the follow. Thank you so much.
It's a comfy car and I do love it, but it's a bit too quick, a bit too fast, and I don't like it on the windies.
You've got the wide body at the rear,